Hi guys, Adnan Qureshi here. Thanks for coming through and checking out this quick video message. I thought today I would share with you a technique that I've used in recent times on how to find new markets and new keywords. Now, a typical internet marketer would suggest a niche market would be something along the lines of how to train your dog. I mean, it's an example that I've seen quite a few times. But I think what we'll actually find is that because this market is actually exposed to a lot of new internet marketers and a lot of experienced internet marketers, we'll find that actually it's very hard to penetrate a niche market like this, because you can see clearly that these kind of websites are very well competitive. And if we actually look at the bottom of this page, we can see that eHow is at the bottom of page 1. So what we'll find is that all the pages that outrank this page are much more optimized. And because eHow is an authority website, they must have a lot of backlinks. These are websites that have had a lot of work done to them in order to beat eHow in terms of ranking. So recently I've come across a website that has actually been around for quite some time, but I've only been exposed to it recently in this way, and I've only been using it in this way in order to find new markets. And the website is eBay Pulse. Now, there is a .com version, but for the purposes of this video, we'll use the .co.uk. But what this website in essence does, what this part of eBay does anyway, is it shows us what is trending today. And so what that would mean is that in actual fact we find out what things are selling today, what markets are open today that were possibly not open yesterday, a week ago, a month ago. And so, I mean, for example, if you can see over here, these are the 10 items that they're suggesting that are the most popular searches. So, I mean, if we look at something like boots, for example, we can see what items are selling and what things are being requested by eBay. Therefore, they'll have a lot more searches in Google. So we can see, something like women's knee calf high winter, snow boots. This could be a possible keyword that we could try to target. And so what this method actually does is that you get a chance to try to penetrate certain keywords, certain rankings that perhaps have a lot more searches but have very little competition, because these are almost, in essence, these are kind of new markets that are opening up. I mean, we can see over here a lot of these boots are kind of like furry boots, and because I'm recording this in December, it's quite cold in the UK, so we can assume that these things are trending right now because of obviously knee-high boots are most probably quite warm. And so yeah, this website is really good in order to in finding new markets that potentially have a lot of searches but that don't have many competing websites for them, because these are, in essence, these are markets that are just recently opening up. And so I hope you've taken away some value from this, in that not all markets that internet marketers suggest are niche markets are actually achievable. Because I mean, the one that I showed you before, how to train your dog, I mean, this is really a competitive niche. And so I would suggest that you would look at markets that are trending today that wouldn't necessarily be trending yesterday, because what you'll find is that they get a lot more searches, but they don't have that much competition. So like I said, I hope you're taking away some value from this video message. That's all for now, and all the best.